What's up, Learning Machines? Welcome back to another video. This video is about how you can instantly make $100 to $500 as fast as possible with this Make Money Online method that is working for multiple students of mine right now, hundreds of students actually at this point. And I've got tons of affiliates doing this right now. This is working already today, just so you know I'm qualified. I made over $11,000 today combined with all my different income streams from the personal brand, of course, as well, and from AdSense revenue and from CPA marketing, affiliate commissions, and from email marketing, just a bunch of stuff combined. I've already made over $11,000 today. Some days less, some days more, but it's like crazy. So let's dive into this method with step one. Step one, make a TikTok or YouTube account. And then step two is go to my Google Drive folder, link is in the description, and you can just literally download these videos, re-upload these videos, try to edit them to be even better, re-upload them to YouTube, re-upload them to TikTok, and then you can promote the Money Accelerator, the Money Generator, and I highly recommend you buy those offers as well, so you get value from them and learn the methods inside of those so you can start making even more money like all my other students. You guys can start freaking crushing it. This method works. I could tell you guys paid ad methods, but it's too advanced. It's too risky for people. It's unpredictable, but this is free and guaranteed methods right here that's getting people results. So you can download these videos, re-upload, and start making commissions, making money. Step three is you could start editing the videos, make them even better. Like just do basic editing skills, cut out the parts you don't think are as good, and then keep in parts that you think are better, and then try to add on to the video, make it even better. And if you do this for Creative Commons videos on YouTube, if you do this for any video on YouTube and make it even fair use, and you add your own commentary to the videos, you try to make the videos even better, you can edit any video on YouTube. It doesn't have to be Creative Commons, you can make it even better. And you can just have super videos that get a lot of views and start getting you a lot of sales. And then step four is just re-upload the videos, and I promise you, you will make minimum with this method, just $100 doing this method. But the thing is, it's long term. You grow an asset on YouTube or TikTok or whatever platform you want to use. I recommend do YouTube, and you're going to start making over $100 for sure, and it's going to grow and grow and grow, because the thing is, audience who follows you, they're going to keep following you, and you can now market to them forever good offers. Now, step five is you can then scale with the Creative Commons videos. You can just find a ton of videos on YouTube. I'll show you. So you just type in like CPA marketing or any other Make Money Online avenue where you can make money with, and then you just sort by Creative Commons. You can directly re-upload these videos you find here. A lot of them are mine as well here in this niche as well. But like you could re-upload these videos and all the videos you find here. You don't even really have to edit them if you don't want to. But I highly recommend, even if you combine a bunch of these videos, you're going to have super videos, guys. The people that do this exact thing, which combine videos and make super videos, they win. I'm telling you right now. Combine videos, make videos that are over like 30 minutes and over an hour long. You are going to literally crush it. I am serious when I say this, guys. Do this method, I'm telling you right now. But you can also edit videos to be super great. They don't have to be Creative Commons videos. These can be more quality videos that are not Creative Commons videos, essentially, which doesn't mean Creative Commons videos are not quality, by the way. These videos right here is just the majority of all the videos out there are not Creative Commons. And so if you make them fair use by editing the videos to be even better, adding on to them, adding your own commentary to them, making the videos remixed and transformative, you can all of a sudden have super videos. Try to give credit and link to the channels of which you're using their videos, and you guys are gonna freaking crush it. The people that do this absolutely crush it. You can get basic editing skills just by Googling training videos on editing. Watch these basic video tutorials about like how to video edit, and you guys are gonna freaking crush it, you know? And the video editing software I recommend is Filmora. This is the one I use. It's very beginner friendly, and I've always used it ever since. It's called Filmora. It's called Filmora 12 at this point. They're doing different versions, upgrading it and everything. A lot of people recommend this software, and it's my favorite software, so there you go. You can also use Canva. You can create videos with Canva and do a lot of things. It's built in one platform for graphics and editing and everything. Now, step six is you can scale everything you're doing with fair use. I recommend watch these type of videos here talking about fair use and the laws behind it and stuff, but you're not going to get in trouble. Like literally, if you do what I'm saying here, give credit to the channels of which you're using their content on, and also link to their stuff, and then also make it transformative, remix the content, make it even better, and you guys should be fine. Add commentary is the biggest way to make something fair use. Like you could literally download a ton of videos about Make Money Online, for example. You could download like 30 videos and combine the best parts together and make a super video, and then you react to your video basically that's all of a sudden super fair use because you just remixed all that content and then you added on your own commentary over your own edit of everything you just did to make a great video. You're going to crush it. Like for example, look at this channel right here. He uses tons of movie clips, tons of copyrighted, you could say copyrighted material, which is copyrighted, and then he makes it fair use because he combines a bunch of stuff together, okay, and adds onto it. It makes it transformative and makes it remixing. When you do this, you guys can get videos that get millions of views, hopefully. And if you get over 1 million views and Make Money Online niche and promote the Money Accelerator and the Money Generator, you guys are going to, like the people that are able to do that, you're going to be able to make like 6 figures a month in recurring commissions. I'm not kidding, okay? That's the power of the Make Money Online niche for you. And then the thing that works after you do all that and you start getting sales is start showing your proof, show your results. Like just record your screen showing your results. You may have to blur out a lot of things at that point. Like I've done this and shown my journey over time and just told people how much money I'm making. People see that and it does inspire people and it equals more sales for you. And I've just realized this in my personal brand over time. It's worked for me. It's working for multiple students at this point. And you know, as you do this and you're just getting started with this, like as you get your first sales, start showing people you're getting sales, you're making money online, and then tell people how they can make money online too with the Money Generator, the Money Accelerator, and you guys are going to make even more money because more people are going to get results. More people are going to buy. People want to make money online. Like everyone in the world wants to make more money. Am I crazy? Am I freaking crazy? Like everyone wants to make more money. And so when you promote good offers like this that get people results and everything, like you're going to make money. And it's just so easy. It's crazy. And I want everyone who listens to me here and does this training to get results. And this is how you do it. So follow this step by step. You're going to crush it. You're going to start making money, and minimum at least $100 for sure from this. It could take a month if you don't do things right, but eventually you're going to get enough sales where it's minimum $100. But if you really be consistent with it and do it every day, it's going to add up and it can end up being hundreds of dollars per day. This is the exact method I'd start doing if I was broke. Okay, for example. You don't have to be broke to do these methods. Like these methods can turn into serious money for you. So take action on this. You guys are going to crush it, and peace out, learning machines. Peace.